Hi, I'm NikiHiggins with Luxury by the Beach at Douglas Elliman, and I'm giving you a preview of my listing at the Portofino in South Beach, apartment 3806. This beautiful apartment is listed for $2,150,000, which is an excellent price for a high floor apartment with totally unobstructed views. This terrace that I just showed you is off of the living room and the guest bedroom or den. It has a new bathroom here, which was put in about 6 months ago. And a walk-in closet. Now I'm going back out to the living room. That's the front door we're just passing. And this is the dining room, which has amazing views too. And here is the kitchen, which is a really nice size. Viking appliances. And a gorgeous sitting area here with absolutely stunning views of downtown Miami all the way up the beach. I'm now going to take you out onto the terrace off the dining room. Before I do that, there is a washer and a dryer here. So this is the other terrace. Which has those same incredible views to the north and the west. And this shares the door with the master bedroom. Back we come into the dining room. The original owner of this residence loved wood. These are all custom doors. Very interesting guest bathroom. And this is the master bedroom. Which is a good size. And there are 2 closets here. And an amazing bathroom. This is a custom tub made in Italy. I think it's rosewood, but don't hold me to that. Beautiful shower. The workmanship is really incredible in here. And that will complete the walkthrough of Portofino 3806. I'm going to take you back onto the oceanside terrace for a last look.